what I just got. Let's go. Alright, let's back out of this lobby. Black market. Alright, let's do this. Give me something good. I could use that. I mean, but that's the Weevil. I don't use that. I'll equip that. No. Another one. Alright, come on. No! Yes! That's awesome. I'll equip that too. Equip this. There we go. Open. Alright. Come on. Come on. Oh! I saw that somewhere in there. Alright. Come on, guys. Oh, I saw a sniper, though. Oh, I saw a sniper. Rats. Equip this. Alright. Alright, come on. Dang it! Oh, I saw that in there, too. The sniper. I keep seeing a sniper. Come on. Oh, no! 4 more. Come on. Come on. Rats. I mean, I'll equip these, though. Alright, yeah, they're equipped. Let's see. Alright. Come on. Oh, I saw that in there. The new gun. 2 more. Come on. Nice. Nice. This is awesome. Here we go. Yes! Oh, but I have that already. Rats. Alright, here we go. Let's go, dude! Ah! Dang it! Dang it! Yes! Guys, I just got the butterfly knife! Yes, dude! Yes! 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was so awesome. Completed. Oh my gosh, guys, I have 90. Alright, here we go. Come on. Ooh. Oh, I saw the FFAR. I think that was it. Come on. Come on. We can do this. Nice. 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 Oh, man. That was so awesome. Let's open commons. Oh. That's nice. Alright, another one. Come on, give me something good. Oh my gosh, you did not just give me that. Alright, see you next time. Woo!